So how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views on one video? We're gonna find that out in this video today. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. So finally, on my small channel, one of my video hit 100K, which is right here. Actually, you know, that's not true. I did have a video that hit 100K, but that video had a strike and I had to like take it down. But this is so officially the first video that hit 108K and counting on my channel. So let's see how much money I made from this video, from YouTube ads. Now let's click on this video and we're gonna go to the analytics. So you can go to YouTube Studio by clicking here and go to YouTube Studio, or you can go to the individual video and then click on this analytics. This will take you to the analytics of that specific video, that one video. All right, now let's go. Here you go. So here's the total number, the dollar amount I made from YouTube ads on this one video for 108,108. Oh wow, 108. Today's my lucky day, I guess. Views. So it's $484.13. Now let's look at some of the data behind this and try to understand why that happened, why this video made this much money. First of all, what I like to see is, so this is obviously the first video on my channel to get to 100K. My channel is very small still. It's growing, but it's small. Now let's look at the reach. Actually, let's go back. Look at this too. So this video, in addition to almost $500, it brought me 629 subscribers. Those are new people to my YouTube channel. This is very powerful, guys. Even if, let's say, if I had made half of that money from ads, it doesn't matter. The money you make from YouTube ads on per video, that's not the only benefit that you get. Look at the subscribers, how many new people I got into my brand, into my sphere. Now let's look at the reach. I want to show you something right here. Look at the click-through rate. So click-through rate, 9.8%. My channel average is about between 7 and 8. So this was higher than my channel average, right? So my assumption, I think because of this, I'm probably gonna have some traffic coming from suggested too, but we'll see. Let's scroll down again right here. And now look at the traffic sources. Oh, look at that. So I do have a large amount of traffic coming from external. I have a feeling this is coming from Google, because when I produced this video, I did pick a keyword that people were not only searching in YouTube, but also on Google. And I think that's where the traffic is coming from. Yeah, right here. So source of external traffic is coming from Google search. See? That's very powerful. So look at this. So that's the biggest source of traffic, external, because I did pick a keyword that was being searched not only on YouTube, but also on Google. And then also, this is really, really cool. I typically do not get a lot of traffic from suggested videos, but this is really good to see that this video did pull in 35.5% traffic from suggested. And then YouTube search has always been really big for me, 19%. And if I scroll down, I can see what keywords, what traffic sources, or what people searched to find this video right here, which is very, very relevant. Now let's look at the engagement too, and look at the average percentage viewed was 58%, which is definitely higher than my channel average. So whenever you have a video that's performing really well, obviously your numbers are going to be above average, which actually should be the goal. When we produce new content, our goal should be to produce things, the click-through rate, average view duration, percentage viewed, better than the average, right? That's why these videos kind of go semi-viral for that channel. All right, let's see. Let's look at the audience and see. One thing I'm curious about, look at this. Oh my God, this is amazing. So only 0.5% of my subscribers saw this, the watch time. Most of the watch time came from non-subscribers. So I say this, and I'm going to emphasize on this again. On YouTube, especially for a small channel, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, because if you do the right things, if you optimize, if you create content for that person who's looking for that content, keeping that person in mind, you can see numbers like this. You can reach a lot more viewers and get watch time even if your subscribers are low for a small channel, right? All right, let's go to the revenue tab. So estimated revenue 484. My RPM revenue per mil was 4.5 and CPM was 11.43. That's it, guys. Super exciting. I had this first video that hit 100K plus views on my small YouTube channel, and you saw how much money I made from YouTube ads and also some other really important numbers. If you want to grow on YouTube, one of the things you can definitely learn, and I would suggest, is getting used to going to your analytics for video and for your channel and then understanding. Ask yourself question, why this happened, and then why are you seeing certain things. And always, if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to provide my insights. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.